Can you go in? Can you go in your tent?
Go in your tent, Jack. Yeah.
Close it.
Close it. Okay. Say please. Okay. Where's Jack? Where is he? Where's Jack? Where's Yay! Okay, go in there again.
Open the door for him next time so he can jump in again. Come here.
Okay. Say please. Say please. Okay. Where's Jack? Where is he? Right here. Where is he?
Vacuum. Can you go in your tent?
Jump in there. Jump in there with the vacuum. Yeah, vacuuming? Good job.
Yeah, you hit Mama. Can you go in your tent?
Can you jump in your tent, Jack? Jump in there. Jack, jump in your tent. Yay! Okay. Say please. There you go. Where's Jack? Where is he? There he is! Yep. Where's Jack? Where is he? Where's Jack? There he is! There you out. Good job. Jump in? To jump in the tent? Why don't you jump in the tent? Good job! Okay,
Jack, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.